Hey, what's up everybody, this is Vibhor here, welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing the new iPhone 12 Pro. Just got it now, let's see what comes into the box. Now this is the base model iPhone 12 Pro in Pacific Blue color. Apple has made it so easy nowadays to unbox a particular phone. Now during these COVID times, everybody has bulked up sitting at home and eating so much stuff. Apple on the other hand, just look at it. Just look at it. It has become so slim. It has been dieting over the time. So yep, let's unbox this and see what comes inside this phone. Right out of the box, immediately you see the shiny Pacific Blue color phone. It looks beautiful. Let's put it aside for a minute. It comes with the charging cable. There's no charging brick in the box and there are no Apple earpods. Now Apple claim they have not put it in the device because majority of these just go into the landfills. I agree to a certain extent. I have got so many chargers in the boxes right now, but what Apple forgot about is that this time the cable that came in is USB-C to the lightning adapter cable. So pretty much all the chargers apart from the iPhone 11 which just came last year, all the other iPhones had a charging brick which was the USB-A port to lightning adapter. So definitely those who do not have the last year's iPhone, they don't have a charging brick. So Apple is going to sell that charging brick separately. So what else comes in the box is the standard SIM ejection tray, some Apple documentation and a single Apple sticker this time. So yeah, they have done some cost cutting in the sticker section as well, and that's okay. So we'll leave the box aside. Let's come to the phone. You peel off the sticker from the front and you are greeted with the beautiful looking Apple screen. Apple's motto this time is less bezel, more screen. Definitely there's a more real estate to the screen this time. Since the last 2 to 3 years, all the phones from Apple are anyways edge-to-edge display. This time they have reduced the bezels from the side, but they still could not do away with the notch on the top. The iPhone 12 Pro comes with this matte finish color at the back, and on the side it has got the premium looking stainless steel bands. Now these bands right in on the face of it, I can see like there are fingerprints coming right on the band, and I have just opened this. Now because it's pretty shiny, it looks really beautiful. Yes, and it's super glossy. It would definitely attract more fingerprints. This comes with a Super Retina XDR display, and Apple says it has this ceramic shield on top of it this time, which is 4 times less prone to breakage. So if you drop this, it's 4 times less likely to break the screen. On the rear, it comes with a 3 camera setup. The primary being the wide camera with f1.6, so it's definitely very fast aperture this time at 26 mm focal distance. The ultra wide angle camera, the second camera is f2.4 at 13 mm. The third camera, the telephoto camera, which is the only difference in the camera system between the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 Pro, is at f2.0 at 52 mm distance. So apart from the camera setup on the iPhone 12 Pro, everything else in iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro are pretty much the same. Apart from that, there's a power button and a SIM tray and volume up and down button over here. Rest all is pretty standard. Now the design, of course, we know it has changed from the last year's iPhone. It is more towards the boxy side as we used to have during iPhone 5 series. Let's boot this up and then we'll talk about the internals of the phone. The iPhone 12 and 12 Pro this time comes with the A14 Bionic chip. Now as per Apple, A14 Bionic chip is 50% faster than any CPU, any GPU out there in any smartphone in the market at present. It comes with a 16-core neural engine which is 70% faster machine learning, and it is the first chip to come with a 5 nanometer architecture which can hold 11.8 billion transistors. What that means is it's super fast and all your processes are gonna run super extremely fast. Also internally on iPhone 12 Pro is the 6 GB RAM, which is double to the last year that we had. So that's gonna add up to the speed boost to the iPhone 12 Pro. Also at the back there is a LiDAR sensor which will help in the 6 times faster autofocus in low light situations at night, and it's gonna help in the night photography. How that looks like, how that all works, we're gonna see in a more in-depth review that's gonna come on the channel pretty soon. So the iPhone has been booted up, it is all set, looks beautiful. The Retina XDR display looks amazing. The color reproduction is super good. Apple has really worked on the cameras this time. The triple camera setup on iPhone Pro has gone leaps forward than the predecessor iPhone 11. So Apple has also brought in the Apple Pro RAW. So this time you can actually shoot the raw images right out of your iPhone. So they say their iPhone camera is so amazing this time that this is capable of shooting raw. Also, this camera setup is the first camera in the world to shoot a 10-bit HDR recording video with 700 million colors. So that's gonna be super amazing. I'll do an in-depth review of camera pretty soon. So stay tuned and subscribe to the channel, guys, if you have not done so yet. I will see you again with a more in-depth review on my channel. Bye-bye.